Hi, 5th grade. It's Miss Phillips. I wanted to just do a quick review of how to take the information that you put in your graphic organizer for the 3.8 paragraph and transfer it onto your Google Doc to turn in for a grade. So in our Google Meet today, we came up with 3 details and 3 examples about the reindeer's appearance. Now I'm ready to take that information from my organizer and write my first body paragraph here on my Google Doc. So I'm going to have to go back next week and put my introduction paragraph first. You do not have to tab or return down. I can go and move it down later. So I'm just going to start typing right here on my paragraph. Remember, the first thing that goes in a 3.8 paragraph is a topic sentence. So my topic sentence is going to tell what my entire paragraph is going to be about, which this paragraph is going to be about the reindeer's appearance. So I need to come up with a sentence on how the reindeer's appearance would help it in its environment. The reindeer's appearance helps it survive in a cold environment. Okay, so there's my topic sentence, and I can go back and fix my spelling as I go. Now that I have my topic sentence, my next 6 sentences are going to come from right over here on my graphic organizer. So detail 1 is going to come first. Since I wrote it in a complete sentence when I put it onto my organizer, I'm just typing it right like that onto my Google Doc. I just need to make sure I space 2 times in between each sentence. So I said, reindeer use their nose and coat to help them stay warm. That's my detail 1. Now I'm going to type my example 1. Reindeer have a special nose that breathes in cold air and warms it before it gets to their lungs. They also have a 2-layered coat that keeps them warm. Now remember, I need to probably add my transition words when I'm typing here. So I'm going to go back to the beginning of that first detail and add the transition word first. First, reindeer, oops, I'm going to have to take my reindeer's appearance help them survive in a cold environment because they have a special nose. Okay, so I went back and added my transition and then kind of restated my topic sentence there. Okay, next I'm going to do my second detail. Another way their appearance helps them survive is they use, I'm going to say reindeer, use their antlers, hooves, and nose to help them find food. Now I'm ready to type my example 2. Female reindeer rub the snow away to find food. Oh, I didn't say I need to add use their antlers to rub the snow away to find food. Use their hooves to dig in the snow and use their noses to and their noses can find food underneath the snow. I'm going to come back and say their sensitive sense of smell can find food underneath the toe. I'm kind of doing some revising as I go. These are things I'm going to do for you guys. Okay, now, finally, transition word, detail 3. Their appearance helps them survive because it changes with the seasons. Their coat is darker in the summer and lighter in the winter to help keep them warm and cool. They also drop their antlers each year and grow bigger ones. Okay, so now I have all 6 of my sentences from my body paragraph in my paragraph here on my Google Doc. The last thing that I'm going to add is my conclusion sentence. I'm going to say reindeer have many ways that their appearance helps them survive in a cold environment, such as using body parts to keep warm. I'm going to say using parts of their body. Using their body to find food and having special things about their appearance that changes with the season. Okay, so I restated my topic sentence again, and then I listed all 3 of my details, kind of summarized them together there at the end of my conclusion sentence. So here is going to be my body paragraph number 1. Remember, I can go back here into my assignment and click on the essay for grading. And then I'm going to be able to check to make sure I have everything I need to have. So I should have a topic sentence. Yep. I had point 1 with an example, point 2 with an example, point 3 with an example, and my conclusion. This whole paragraph is going to be 10 points. Remember, before you turn in this document, you should have 3 full body paragraphs typed here. It would even be a good idea to maybe have a parent or an older sibling to read over it. Make sure you make those changes that I suggest, and make sure that before you turn this in, you don't have any spelling or grammar mistakes. Okay, guys, hope this was helpful. See you soon.